What's up, guys? You can see right now gold is trying to break the all-time high right now. You can see, let me even try to mark it out with my let me just try to mark it out from this particular area. Alright, I'm trying to mark it out. You can see it's trying to break this particular all-time high around the zone. So you can see right now, so when the market broke in all this particular resistance, I'm gonna wait for retest around this area before I buy. So I'm trying to, but when the market rejects this particular zone, I'm gonna wait for bearish, all right, engulfing candle on smaller time frame, like 1 hour or 15 minutes before I consider to sell. So that is what I'm just waiting for right now. So if you're a new member to my YouTube channel here, try to hit the subscribe button. Just make sure to like and follow this particular page, my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok. All the link is down below this video. So this strategy is very okay. Just make sure to wait for broken. When the price broken this particular level, I'm gonna wait for a trace around this particular zone. All right, then but when the price fails to break this particular level and I see a clearly bearish engulfing candle, I'm gonna try to make a sell right now on this particular zone. So that is what I'm just waiting for. So right now, so guys, just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.